In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download as separate files in Canva. If you've ever built a multi-page video or an animated sequence and wanted each page saved as its own file, this is exactly what you need. This feature works specifically for MP4 videos and GIFs, so it's perfect for breaking a longer project into individual clips or creating standalone GIFs from each page. Start by opening the project you want to export. Make sure it has multiple pages, because Canva treats each page like a scene or segment. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of your screen and click Share. From the Share menu, select Download. This opens your download settings, where you can pick your format and finalize how the files will be saved. Under File Type, choose Video if you want MP4 files, or choose GIF if you're exporting animations as GIFs. Keep in mind, the option to split your download into separate files only appears for these two formats. If you select an image or PDF format, you won't see it. Once you've chosen video or GIF, look for the checkbox that says Download pages as separate files. Click that checkbox. This is the key. With it turned on, each page in your project will be exported as its own file, rather than one long video or a single GIF. Before you hit download, it can help to quickly review your page order and names. Canva uses page order to determine the sequence, and clear page titles can make your exported files easier to identify later. If your project includes audio, remember that MP4 files will carry the audio for each page, while GIFs don't include sound. Now, click Download. Canva will process your project and save each page as an individual MP4 or GIF in your downloads. The time it takes can vary depending on the length and complexity of your project. Once it's done, you'll have separate files you can share, upload, or edit further without needing to split anything manually. If you don't see the Separate Files checkbox, double-check that you've selected video or GIF as the file type, and confirm you're working on a multi-page design. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to export your Canva project as separate files for videos and GIFs, giving you more flexibility to repurpose and share your content exactly the way you want.